Healthy desserts are a delicious and guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising on nutrition. Traditional desserts are often loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and empty calories, which can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and other health issues. However, with mindful choices and creative ingredient swaps, you can create desserts that are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients. One of the key aspects of healthy desserts is incorporating nutrient-rich ingredients. Fruits, such as berries, bananas, oranges, apples, and mangoes, are naturally sweet and loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios, and pecans, are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium. Seeds, such as chia seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds, are tiny powerhouses of nutrition, packed with healthy fats, fiber, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. Whole grains, such as oats, quinoa, brown rice, whole wheat flour, and buckwheat, are high in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients like B vitamins. Dairy alternatives, such as plant-based milks like almond milk, coconut milk, soy milk, or oat milk, can also be used in desserts as a substitute for regular milk or cream. They are often lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, and can be a good option for those who are lactose intolerant or follow a plant-based diet. Reducing added sugars is another important aspect of healthy desserts. Ripe fruits can be used for natural sweetness, and spices like cinnamon or vanilla can add flavor without added sugars. Sweeteners like maple syrup, honey, or dates can also be used in moderation to sweeten desserts naturally. In addition to being nutrient-rich and low in added sugars, healthy desserts can also be rich in antioxidants. Many fruits, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that help fight inflammation and protect against chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Another benefit of healthy desserts is that they can be made at home, giving you control over the ingredients and portion sizes. Homemade desserts allow you to experiment with different combinations of healthy ingredients, customize flavors to your liking, and avoid preservatives and artificial additives. Healthy desserts can come in a variety of forms, such as fruit salads, yogurt parfaits, chia seed puddings, homemade energy balls, smoothie bowls, and baked goods made with whole grains, nuts, and fruits. They can be as simple or elaborate as you desire, and they can be enjoyed as a treat after a meal or as a snack throughout the day. Incorporating healthy desserts into your diet can also help with weight management. By choosing desserts that are nutrient-rich and lower in added sugars, you can enjoy a satisfying treat without derailing your healthy eating plan. Healthy desserts can also provide sustained energy, thanks to their fiber, protein, and healthy fat content, which can help you avoid blood sugar spikes and crashes often associated with sugary treats. In conclusion, healthy desserts are a wonderful way to satisfy your sweet tooth without sacrificing nutrition. By incorporating nutrient-rich ingredients, reducing added sugars, and being mindful of portion sizes, you can create delicious and guilt-free treats that are not only satisfying, but also beneficial for your health. Experiment with different combinations of wholesome ingredients. Get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the sweet satisfaction of healthy desserts as part of a balanced diet. Here are some examples of healthy desserts that you can enjoy guilt-free. Fruit salad, yogurt parfait, chia seed pudding, homemade energy balls, banana nice cream, dark chocolate dipped strawberries, baked apples, coconut milk rice pudding, lemon poppy seed bars, mixed berry crumble.